What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today's actually a bit of an exciting video. We're going to meet up with my buddy Ricardo. He had that 840 horsepower Civic that we recorded at that time, and now he is all-wheel drive, and I think he's going to be pushing some more power. So we're going to meet up with him at the dyno and see this beast in action. Like, I can't wait to see it. That was probably the fastest car I've ever been in, and it was absolutely insane. I'm gonna play a clip of it right here, check it out, and then I'll see you guys there. Here we are. If you guys don't remember, Ricardo had the red coupe that was 840 horsepower. I showed you guys a couple clips of it. It was absolutely nuts. Right now, this is his new build. After he got hit, he picked up a new shell, and what he ended up doing was some amazing stuff. So he swapped the motor over, and he is all-wheel drive now also. Let me show you underneath this beautifulness. Look at that, everything brand new. This thing is absolutely nuts. I asked him how much power he wants to go with. He says he's gonna max it out. If it blows, it blows. That is what you call balls to the wall. We got some crazy cars on the dyno today, but my main reason I am here is to check this out. This is absolutely wild, bro. I cannot wait. If he had a passenger seat, he said we would have gone, but he told me to drive it, but I don't think I'm gonna drive it just yet. This thing, I don't know if I'm ready for this. So this is the first time I've actually seen this car. This is Redline Racing. Check their YouTube channel out. He's got an insane 8-gen build. I know a lot of you guys follow the channel for the 8-gen, so check this out. This is absolutely crazy. He's got a fully built motor, and he is going for 700 to 800 horsepower. This thing's gonna be absolutely wild. We're gonna collab. We're gonna definitely check this out in the future, because I think this is something you guys would love to see. We've never been in an 8-gen more than like 300 to 400 horsepower, so I think this would definitely be an insane collab to shoot. This thing is wild, bro. Side exit. Who does the side exit around here? Damn, this thing's gonna be loud as hell. That is, I like that. Like, look at the little details there. Look at that. This thing is crazy. Fully gutted. He is definitely ready for the track and whatnot. This thing is absolutely wild. This is absolutely wild. The amount of cars that are here and the caliber of cars here are crazy. I'm super excited for my buddy Ricardo, and I can't wait to see this. So the 8-gen's gonna be actually on the dyno, so we'll check that out also. But if you guys want to see the dyno results and the dyno numbers, you guys got to check out his channel. That is something that's nuts. I can't wait to see this on the dyno, but you guys have to actually go to his channel and check it out. But honestly, this thing is wild. I cannot wait to see other, like, there's a lot of nice cars here. The caliber of cars here are insane. It's nice to finally be out of the garage and not working on a car and checking out other people's builds. If you do enjoy this, make sure you gotta hit that like button and show me that you guys want to see more of this. But this is nice. I can't wait to see these cars on the dyno. How about you guys? You gotta get there. That is absolutely insane. Did you hear that crossover? been a really fun day. Some serious cars and some serious motivation for my coupe to get done. I am super excited to get the car up and running. We're almost there. I'm going back. I just came to get a drink, something to eat. Ricardo should be on the dyno shortly. Let's see how much power he makes, and it's all-wheel drive, guys. So whatever he makes is to all 4 tires. I think it's gonna be nuts. I cannot wait to see that thing ripping around. Next up is the 8 Gen, the Civic coupe that was on there previously. I think made around 500 horsepower, but he had an injector leaking, so he's got to fix that. But the 8 Gen here is going for 700 horsepower. So if it hits that, it's gonna be absolutely nuts. I'm excited to see how it goes. Like I said, if you guys want to know the actual numbers he makes, you gotta check out his channel. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we got Ricardo's car finally on the dyno. It's an all-wheel drive car, but for the dyno, it is a 2-wheel drive dyno. So that's why they had to disconnect the shaft from that. Nervous? A little bit. Oh, there you go. 655.
Yeah, it spun a little bit, but...
All right, I am finally home. That was absolutely crazy. I had to leave and I couldn't finish up watching Ricardo's last pulls. The day took a lot longer than anticipated. Dyno days always take a long time, but little problems always hold you back a little bit, and I had to leave because I have somewhere to go today. But that was absolutely insane. When I left, I think he was making almost 600 or 611, I believe, it was around there. And that's absolutely nuts. That's all-wheel drive Civic, and it's a B series motor, which is nuts. And I know he's going to be pushing for more, but that was absolutely crazy. Saw some amazing builds and a lot of inspiration for the coupe build. Oh, I cannot wait. The coupe is going to be sick. The 99 Civic Si K-swap, we're just going to get bigger and better with that. And I think I can't wait to drive. It's going to be absolutely nuts. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know I didn't talk a lot in this video. I wanted this video to be more about the builds themselves and how crazy some of these pulls were. I think you guys are okay with just not listening to me for the entire video and listening to these insane pulls of these cars. It was absolutely nuts. I was glad to be part of it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna stop babbling because I gotta go. You gotta make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Do it once, do it right. Peace out and later.